hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in a chapter 5 areas related to circles. In our last session, we have seen about all the formulas which we are going to deal in this chapter. Okay, let's quickly start our exercise 5.1. First problem. The radii of two circles. We are going to draw two circles here. The radii of two circles. Okay, we are talking about the radii, right? The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters. The radii of two circles are 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters respectively. Find the radius of the circle which has circumference equal to the sum of the circumference of the two circles. Understand the question carefully here. There are two circles having radius 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters. And another circle you have. What is that another circle? How do you get that another circle? The sum of the circumference of these two circles will give you the circumference of new circle. Okay, so let me add these two circles is equal to big circle circumference. And what is this radii? We don't know. We need to find the radii of the new circle such that the circumference of this circle is equal to sum of the circumferences of these two circles. Circumference means what, children? Circle's outer ring, we call it as a circumference. What is circumference of a circle? 2 pi r, right? 2 pi r, 2 pi r, 2 pi r. But all having same radius? No, it is differing. So let us write here. This is C1, C2, C3. Circle 1, circle 2, circle 3. And radius also in that way you can write R1, R2, R3. R1, R2, R3 are the radii. We need to find the radii of the new circle such that the circumference of this circle is equal to sum of the circumferences of these two circles. Let's start the solution with the given data. Let us assume let R1, R2, R3. R1 is equal to 19 centimeters. R2 is equal to 9 centimeters. And R3 you may write, or simply R also you can write. R3 is equal to question mark. Radius of first circle, second circle is 19 centimeters and 9 centimeters. You need to find the new circle. New circle you may take radius only R you can take, or R3 also you can take, no problem. Circumference, we are talking about circumference. Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 pi r units. What is circumference of a circle? Outer ring. What is that? 2 pi r. Now, circumference of first circle. Circumference of first circle C1 is equal to 2 pi R1. Okay, 2 pi, radius are different, so R1. Next, circumference of second circle C2 is equal to 2 pi R2. Circumference of third circle. Circumference of third circle you can say, or new circle you can say. C3 is equal to, circumference of the third circle C3 is equal to 2 pi R3. Okay. Now what is the given statement here? Circumference of the new circle or a third circle is equal to sum of the circumference of these two circles. Right? Let us assume C1 as circumference of first circle, C2 as circumference of second circle. Let us frame this. C3 is equal to C1 plus C2. Circumference of third circle is how much? 2 pi R3. C1 circumference 2 pi R1 and C2 circumference 2 pi R2. In these two, anything is common? 2 pi is common. Let's take out common. 2 pi R3 is equal to, take out 2 pi common, R1. If you remove 2 pi, R2 is left. R1 plus R2. 2 pi cancel. R3 is equal to R1 plus R2. Now, we need to substitute R1 and R2. R3 is equal to R1 19 and R2 9. 19 plus 9, that will be 28 centimeters. What is the radius of the new circle? Radius of the new circle is 28 centimeters. Therefore, radius of third circle or a new circle, you can write third circle R3 is equal to 28 centimeters. Understand the problem carefully. They have given two radius of two circles. The sum of the circumferences of these two circles is equal to new circle circumference. Let us assume 1, 2, 3 and circumference of this circle as C1, circumference of this circle C2, circumference of that circle is C3. That is equal to sum of these two, right? C3 is equal to C1 plus C2. Apply the formula, take out common, cancel. Now you substitute R1 and R2 value. Therefore, you are going to get new circle radius R3 is equal to 28 centimeters. Let's see the second problem. The radii of two circles are 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters respectively. Okay, let me draw again two circles. 8 centimeters radii and another circle having radii 6 centimeters. Okay, find the radius of circle having area equal to the sum of the areas of the two circles. Again, one more circle we are going to draw. Find the radius of this circle is your question. Understand the problem here. Before problem we have seen sum of the circumferences is equal to the new circle circumference. Now, area, complete area of first circle and complete area of second circle is equal to area of the third circle, or you can say new circle, you can say. Anyway, you can say. And this radius R1 and this radius R2, let the radius be R. Okay, area of this circle plus area of this circle is equal to area of the new circles. So, sum of the areas of these two circles is equal to area of the new circle, and we need to find the radius of new circle. Let's start a solution. Given radii of two circles, let me assume first circle, second circle, and I can say here, let R1 is equal to 8 centimeters and R2 is equal to 6 centimeters. And new circle radius R is equal to question mark. We need to calculate that. And we are talking about area of a circle. What is the formula for area of a circle? Area of circle is equal to pi R square units. Area of first circle. Area of first circle. Let's write here area, no? A1 we can write. Area of first circle A1 is equal to formula pi R1 square. Pi R1 square. And next one. Similarly, you can write other two circles. Area of second circle assume it as A2, that will be pi R2 square. Next, area of a circle given. You can write new circle or a third circle also. You can write area of new circle A3 is equal to pi R square. I'll take. New circle A3 I have taken, and whereas radius only R I have taken. If you want, you can take R3 also. There is nothing wrong in it. Okay. Frame the formula here. How can we write here statement? The sum of the areas of two circles is equal to area of new circle. That means A3 is equal to A1 plus A2. Given area of third circle is equal to sum of the areas of two circles. A3 pi R square. A1 pi R1 square. A2 pi R2 square. In these two, anything is common? Yes, pi is common. Take out common. Pi R square is equal to pi into R1 square plus R2 square. Pi cancel. R square is equal to R1 square plus R2 square. Now substitute R1 and R2. Okay. R square is equal to R1 value is how much? 8. 8 whole square plus R2 square. R2 value is 6. 6 whole square. 8 8s are 64. 6 6 are 36. R square is equal to 64 plus 36 will be 100. That is square. Remove square. Apply other side. Square root. Square root of 100. R is equal to 10. And what is its unit? Centimeters. Therefore, radius of new circle R is equal to 10 centimeters. Most of the children will do one minor mistake. Please observe that and avoid that mistake. That is, if two circle radius given, what is the third circle radius? Either we may deal with area or circumference of a circles. Most of the people, what they do? Adding the radius. 8 plus 6, it will be 14. Therefore, new circle radius is equal to 14 centimeters. They will write. But please don't be in a hurry like that. Just apply the formula. It will be very easy. Similarly, circumference given, the two radius they will add and say that radius is this one. Please don't try to do like that. Your problem goes wrong. Let's see the third problem. Figure depicts an archery target marked with its 5 scoring regions. You can see the figure here. It shows the archery target and with the different colors. What are the colors using here? Gold, red, blue, black and white. From the center outwards as gold, red, blue, black and white. The diameter of the region representing gold score. The diameter of the region representing the gold score is how much? 21 centimeters. And each of the other bands is 10.5 centimeters wide. Understand the problem? This problem little confusion you may have. But listen carefully, it will be very easy. You can see 5 colors and scoring regions are there with the 5 different colors. Whereas the diameter of the gold is 21 centimeters and width of each ring is 10.5 centimeters wide. Find the area of each of the 5 scoring regions. We need to calculate area of each scoring region. You can see here gold. If your target is on gold, then what is your score? And what is the area of this gold? Area of the red color ring, area of a blue color ring, and all these areas you need to calculate. Okay, how can I calculate? I just remember one formula, that is the area of a ring. How do we get area of a ring? We have seen in our introduction class. Do you remember, children? Area of a ring formula. Pi capital R square minus pi small r square we have seen. When you have two radius, but here you may have many radius. According to the color we can take. What's your problem? We need to find the area of 5 scoring regions. Given gold diameter. Let's write here. Given diameter of gold is equal to 21 centimeters. Radius of gold circle, half of it, right? 2 ones are 2, and if you cancel nothing there, 0.5 centimeters. 2 ones are 2, and here 0 1 you have, so put a point and take 0 here. 10 2 5s are 10. Radius of gold is equal to 10.5 centimeters. Now let us find all the radius of each color. Okay, first gold circle finished. Let me take a gold circle here. G, what is its radius? 10.5 centimeters. And next color, what is that next color, children? Red. And each ring width is 10.5 centimeters. Observe here carefully and understand it. Gold radius is 10.5. These are all in which pattern they are? They are all concentric circles. Same center with different radii. So one by one every ring we are going to calculate. Gold radius is 10.5 centimeters. And width of next color, I can't see back side, right? But width of this is how much? 10.5 centimeters. Radius for red color. Red color means radius I am going to talk with center to circumference of red colored circle. Right? So this radius is 10.5 and this is 10.5. 10.5 plus 10.5 will be 21 centimeters. I can write here. Radius of red color is equal to 10.5 plus 10.5. That is equal to 21 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, what's your next ring? What's your next color here? Gold over red over blue. 10.5. Now we need to calculate the radius of blue circle. Okay, radius again we deal with the center. From gold center we need to count, right? Okay. From this circle center to circumference of blue color we are going to find the radius. Each ring width is 10.5 centimeters. So 10.5 plus 10.5 plus 10.5, how much it will be? 10.5 plus 10.5 will be 21. 21 plus 10.5 will be 31.5 centimeters. Understand carefully, from here to here add, that will be the radius of which color? Blue color circle. Radius of blue color. You may take smaller also, you can take capital R also, you can take any R you can take. Radius of red color 21 centimeters. Radius of blue color is how much? 21 plus 10.5, 31.5 centimeters. Okay. Similarly, what's your next color ring? Next color ring is black. Black. Again, radius when I talk, I'll start adding from center to the circumference of black color ring. See, let's start adding from this center, children. This gold radius is 10.5. Each ring width is 10.5. 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. 4 times you need to add. If you add 4 times, it will be radius of black color is equal to 42 centimeters. Okay, 10.5 plus 10.5, 21. 21 plus 10.5, it will be 31.5. And 31.5 plus 10.5 will be 42 centimeters. And finally, we need to find radius for last circle, that is white circle radius you want. So from center again 10.5 centimeters width extra. 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5, 10.5. Add all these, children. how much you are going to get? Radius of white is equal to 52.5 centimeters. First, understand the archery target and see each color carefully and find the radius. I repeat again, when I talk about gold radius, they have given diameter. Diameter is 21 centimeters. Radius will be 10.5 centimeters. And each ring width is 10.5. But when I talk about radius of that color, I should count from center here. So 10.5 plus 10.5 will be red radius. And plus 10.5 will be blue radius. Again plus 10.5 will be black radius. And again plus 10.5 will be white radius. So find out all these carefully. Now let us start finding the area of each colored ring separately. And in middle you have a circle. Area of gold region. Area of a circle, formula children, pi r square. Write that one. Pi r square. Which r? This is gold. R gold, you can write R gold. Radius of gold is how much? 10.5. Substitute pi value 22/7. Radius 10.5 whole square. This one you can write separately, right? 22/7 into 10.5 whole square. Let us multiply this. 10.5 into 10.5. Multiply. 5 5s are 25, 5, 0, 0, 0. And here again it will be 1, 0, 5. Add this. 5, 2, 1, 1, 0. And decimal, 2 digits, right? Your answer here is 22/7 into 110.25. Now again these two you multiply and then divide by 7. This into 22. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 0, 2, 2. Same you are going to get again. 0, 2, 2. 0, 5, 5, 2, 4, 2. Decimal. Where is decimal here? After 2 digits. That will be 2425.50. 2425.50 by 7. Cancel this one. 7 3s are 21. 3 left. Then that will be 7 4s are 28. 4 left. 7 6 are 42. 3 left. 35. 7 5s are 35.5. Therefore, area of gold region is equal to 346.5 centimeter square. Area always in square units, right? Now next colors, we need to find the area of the rings. Okay, remember the formula, area of a ring, that is pi into capital R square minus small r square, close the bracket. Now we have not taken capital R, small r, we have taken with colors. According to that we are going to frame the formula now. So area of red color ring, area of red color ring is equal to, area of red color ring means how we are going to get here, children? See, observe carefully. Area of red color circle minus area of gold color circle. So that will be pi r, which color you have outside? Red. Radius of red square minus radius of gold square. Okay, that's it. Remember easily and try to write neatly. Pi of radius of red square minus radius of gold square. What is radius of red here, children? That will be pi into 21 whole square minus what is radius of gold? 10.5 10.5 whole square. That is equal to pi value is 22 by 7 into what is 21 21s? Let's calculate here. 21 21s 21 and here it will be 4 1 4 4. This is 441. 21 square is how much? 441 minus 10.5 whole square. Already we have there 110.25. Subtract these two. 441.00 minus 110.25. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 2 will be 7. And here you have 0. Drag as it is. 0 minus 0, 0. 4 minus 1, 3. 4 minus 1, 3. 330.75. Write it here. 22 by 7 into 330.75. Next step, multiply with 22. With 2 multiply for this children. 2 5s are 10, 2 7s are 14, 15, 2 3s are 6, 6. Again, 6, 6, 1, 5, 0. Add this 5, 6, 7, 12, 7. And put a point after 2 digits. So 7276.50 you get if you multiply these two. 7276.50 by 7. Let's cancel here. 7 1s are 7 and you can take here 0. 7 3s are 21 and you are left with 66. 7 9s are 63. Again 3 left, 35. Put a decimal point. 7 5s are 35. Finally you get an answer here. 1039.5 centimeter square area. Therefore area of red color ring is equal to 1039.5 centimeter square. Okay, let's go to the next color here. What is your next color? Area of blue colored ring. Area of blue colored ring. Observe here carefully children. I need area of this ring. Okay, full complete area of blue color. And before circle what you have? Red color circle. Okay, if you want this ring area, this blue color area of a circle minus area of red color circle will give you blue ring. Understand carefully. When you want this red ring, area of red circle minus area of gold circle you have done. But if you want blue color ring area of blue colored circle minus before color what you have? Red. Okay, area of red color circle. How to write this one? Same manner, radius of blue square pi into radius of blue square minus radius of blue before which color you have? Red. Radius of red square. That will be 22 by 7 into radius of blue. Radius of blue is how much? 31.5 whole square minus what is radius of red? 21 centimeters. 21 whole square. 31.5 into 31.5 calculate. 31.5 into 31.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 plus 2. 7. 5 3s are 15. With 1 multiply. 3 1 5. With 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 4. 3 3s are 9. Okay, add all this. 7 plus 5 12. 6 7 12. 5 8 9 9. And decimal point 2 digits afterwards. 992.25. Write it here. 22 by 7 into 992.5 minus 21 square. Already we have calculated. What is that? 441. Write it here, 441. Subtract 441 in this. Okay, subtract here itself, 441.00. Okay, 5 minus 0, 5, 2 minus 0, 2, 2 minus 1, 1. Take a decimal point here, 9 minus 4, 5, 9 minus 4, 5. 551.25. 22 by 7 into 551.25. Multiply these two. 551.25 into 22. For this only I am multiplying here, children. 2 5s are 10. 2 2s are 4, 5. 2 1s are 2. 2 5s are 10, 11. Again 1 1 0 2 5 0. 0 5 7 2 1 2 1. And your decimal point is at 12127.50. Okay, there is no place here. Okay, let me carry this continuation part here. That will be equal to 12127.505. You can write by 7. Okay, now try to cancel this. 7 ones are 7. 51 left. 7 sevens are 49. 2 left, that is 22. 7 threes are 21. Again 17 left. Okay, 7 twos are 14. 3 left, 35. 0.75s are 35. Therefore, area of which color ring it is? Blue. Area of blue color ring is equal to 1732.5 centimeter square. Okay, there is no place, children, but I need to calculate 2 more ring areas. So observe up to here carefully, then again I clean up and continue the problem. Gold radius is 10.5 centimeters. Area of gold colored circle, pi r square, pi r gold square. That is 10.5 whole square in 22 by 7. If you do cancellations, you got 346.5 centimeters square. Area of gold ring is how much? Area of gold is how much? 346.5 centimeters square. Next, we need to find area of red ring it is, not circle. Red color ring if you want, area of full red circle minus area of gold circle. That is pi, take out common, r red square minus r gold square. If you substitute and subtract, multiply with 22 by 7, you are going to get an answer of 1039.5 centimeters. Area of red color ring is equal to 1039.5 centimeters square. Similarly, we found out area of blue color ring. Blue color ring if you want, area of blue circle minus area of red circle. Pi r blue square minus r red square. If you substitute, you are going to get an answer 1732.5 centimeters square. Okay, next color is black. Area of black color ring or black color band you can say. Black color ring is equal to, observe here, you need to get black color ring. Means full black, area of black circle minus, before color what you have? Blue. Area of blue circle. In area of black circle, if you remove area of blue circle, you are going to get black color ring. Okay. Frame the formula. Pi r black square, radius of black square minus radius of blue square. So now substitute here. Pi value is 22 by 7. Radius of black is how much? 42 whole square minus radius of blue 31.5 whole square. Understand ring formula carefully. Let us calculate this one. 42 into 42. 2 2s are 4, 8, 4 2s are 8, 16, 4, 7, 1. This will be 1764. 22 by 7 into 1764 minus. Again multiply this one. 31.5 into 31.5. 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5 plus 2 7. 5 3s are 15. And with 1 3 1 5. With the 3 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3 4. 3 3s are 9. Add all this. 5. 7 plus 5 will be 12. 6 7 12. 5 8 9 9. And your decimal point is at here. Decimal point after 2 digits. 992.25. 992.25. Subtract these two. That will be 1764.00 minus 992.25. Subtract these two. 10 minus 5 will be 5. 9 minus 2, 7. And here you are going to have 3. 3 minus 2 will be 1. And you have 16 minus 9, 7. 16 minus 9, 7. Decimal point is here. That will be 771.75. Write it here. 22 by 7 into 771.75. Now multiply this with 22. Let's do here itself. 2 5s are 10. 2 7s are 14. Plus 1 15. 2 1s are 2. Plus 1 3. 2 7s are 14. 2 7s are 14 plus 1 15. Again 1 5 4 3 5 0. Add this 0 5 8 7 9 6 1. Okay, so write it here. 1697850. Decimal point is here. 0.5. If you want, you can remove the 0. By 7. Cancel this one. 7 2s are 14. 2 left 29. 7 4s are 28. 1 left 17. 7 2s are 14. Again 3 left 38. 7 5s are 35. Again 3 left. 0.75s are 35. Therefore, your final answer is 2425.5 centimeters square. What is this, children? Area of black color ring or area of black color band. So once again, let us see this. If you want area of black colored band means pi, radius of black square minus radius of blue color square. If you calculate, you are going to get 2425.5 centimeters square. Okay, let's see the last color area. Let's find out the area of white color ring or white color band. That is equal to formula pi radius of white color square, radius of white square minus, before white, which color circle you can see? Black. Radius of black square. Okay. Pi value is 22 by 7. You know radius of white is how much? 52.5 whole square minus radius of black is 42 whole square. Okay. Multiply that one. 52.5 into 52.5. That will be 5 5s are 25, 5 2s are 10, 12, 5 5s are 25, 26. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 5 2s are 10. And again with 5 if you multiply, 5 2 6 2, 5 2 16, 5 7 2. And decimal point is here. That will be is equal to 22 by 7 into 2756.25 minus 42 square you got before, right? That will be 1764. Subtract these two. 2756.25 minus 1764. Nothing there. So if you want, you can put zeros here. 5 minus 0, 5, 2, 6 minus 4 will be 2, 15 minus 6, 9, and here 16, 16 minus 7 will be 9, 1 minus 1, 0, no need of writing. 992, 22 by 7 into 992.25. For this, multiply 22 now. 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are 4, 5, 2 2s are 4, 2 9s are 18, 18 plus 1, 19. And again 0, 5, 4, 8, 9, 1. Add all this. 0, 5, 9, 12, 18, and it is 11, 2. 21829.50. Let me do here is equal to 21829.50 by 7. So 0.50, if you want, you can clean this 0. 0.5 you can write. Let us cancel this one. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7, 12 left. 7 1s are 7. And you will be having 5, 59. 59 means 7 8s are 56. Again 3 left, 0.35, 7 5s are 35. Therefore, your final answer is 3118.5 centimeter square. Finally, therefore, area of white color band is equal to area of white color ring is equal to 3118.5 centimeter square. So observe here, problem may be lengthy, children, but if you understand, this is very easy. First and the foremost thing you should know here, identify the ring carefully. So if you want to find red color ring area, full area of red circle minus area of before color gold circle. And if you want blue color, complete area of blue circle minus area of red color will give you blue ring. Okay. And now again, if you need black means complete area of a black circle minus before which color you have blue color circle. If you remove, you are going to get black ring. White also, complete circle area means white color where you have that circle area minus black color circle area. If you remove, you are going to get white color ring. Okay, is this clear? Problem, it is lengthy, children. So like this, bit by bit I have explained. So while taking in notes, you can write continuously while I was explaining. So finally, all the areas of these bands, you can see here carefully. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you have last fourth one here. Okay, with this we are going to end our session, children. In our next session, we are going to continue with the next 2 problems of this exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.